A Vermilion Parish teacher put in handcuffs at tonight's school board meeting. That incident following a discussion about the superintendent's new contract.
Tonight, the board approved a 3-year deal for Superintendent of Schools Jerome Pio. It has incentives for pay raises based on performance. But the raise is where some teachers had issues, and how one teacher was treated tonight might just be an issue all its own. It's tonight's top story.
You're making our job even more difficult.
Teacher Daisha Hargrave spoke up during public comment.
Because it's basically taking out of the pockets of
Her issue, the superintendent's new contract.
a superintendent or any person in a position of leadership getting any type of raise. I feel like it's a slap in the face to all the teachers, cafeteria workers, and any other support staff we have. I have comments on the
She received a warning. It was public comment only, not a question and answer session, although board officials were answering her questions. After being called on a second time, that's when a city marshal stepped in.
Excuse me. Is it against policy to stand? Sir, do not.
This is the most disgraceful.
Hargrave left the meeting, but in the hallway,
Right now. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't. Can you explain? Are you kidding me?
Stop resisting.
I am not. You just pushed me to the floor. Sir, hold on. I am way smaller than you.
Superintendent Jerome Pio telling KATC no charges were filed against the teacher. It's unclear if the deputy marshal was acting on his own accord or if he was called on to have Hargrave removed. Her removal did not go unnoticed.
What happened here tonight, the way that females are treated in Vermilion Parish. I have never seen a man removed from this room. I have never seen a man removed from this room.
And by the way, we were unable to reach anyone tonight at the marshal's office for comment about what happened in that video.